Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to personalize your account in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here in the Vinted app, it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. After going into the profile menu, we tap on personalization here at the top. And here we can select our preferences in categories and size. We can select either the articles to be in women's category or men's or kids, and then we can select the brands we want to see articles from and we want to follow, and then we can even select members that we like, people that have especially good taste in vintage clothes, and thereby personalize our account to the maximum. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.